Hair loss is a common problem among women and it can occur for many reasons. It's necessary to ensure a good product that stimulates your scalp for hair growth. So we came up with 5 best hair growth serums that actually work great on future hair loss and help to grow new hair. Let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Full and looking beautiful hair is wanted by most women, but to achieve that perfection, it's important to choose a good hair product. The Genius Hair Growth Oil promises to give you healthier and fuller hair to make you more beautiful and confident. This oil nourishes your scalp and promotes thick hair. Its nourishing formula makes your thinner hair full and thick, keeping them healthy and shiny. It creates proper conditions for restoring your hair. It also preserves and strengthens hair follicles to give you perfect-looking hair. This oil is enriched with antioxidants, vitamins, and nutrients. You can use the oil by mixing it with your shampoo. It's gentle and gives you amazing results. The Genius Hair Growth Oil is a great product which has earned quite a number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, it's an amazing product and it works great on hair. But some users complained that they didn't notice any difference after using the product. How to use? Let's check out the ratings for the Hair Serum. Ginger is a great element for hair growth. It contains many beneficial elements which are good for your hair. The Votala Hair Serum Hair Growth Oil is enriched with the goodness of ginger to give your hair the best care. This oil has bioactive nutrients which are essential for hair growth. It activates dormant hair follicle germ tissue on the scalp, promoting hair growth and nourishment. It thickens your hair and balances oily scalp, increasing the volume of your hair. This oil prevents hair loss and repairs hair follicles. It's full of natural vitamins, antioxidants, and nutrients to ensure faster hair growth. It's easy to apply and use as well. The Votala Hair Serum Hair Growth Oil is a great product. It has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this hair serum makes hair thicker and balances oil secretion. Although some users said that they didn't get expected outcomes after using the product. How to use? Time to check out the ratings. Natural ingredients are essential for taking care of your precious hair. The Essy Naturals Hair Growth Oil comes with the goodness of natural elements to ensure the best hair growth results for you. It contains the goodness of castor oil, caffeine, rosemary oil, and biotin. Castor oil has many benefits and it promotes healthy and stronger hair. Caffeine helps in the stimulation of hair follicles to speed up the process of hair growth. This hair oil has vitamins and antioxidants which ensure faster hair growth. It reduces hair loss and strengthens thinning hair as well. The Essy Naturals Hair Growth Oil is a great product which has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, it works wonderful and grows new hair. But some users said that they were disappointed with the outcome. How to use? Time to check out the ratings. If you are looking for a non-greasy natural serum for hair growth, the BOLDIFY Hair Boost Serum is the one for you that provides your hair with complete nourishment. It contains biotin, coconut oil, and lemongrass extract. The biotin makes your hair thick and stimulates hair growth. Coconut oil nourishes the scalp and removes sebum, and the lemongrass extract keeps the hair growth process healthy. It's a 3-in-1 hair serum which gives your hair instant volume, keeps your hair soft, and promotes healthier hair growth. This hair serum reduces hair fall and makes your hair fuller and thicker. It seals each hair follicle with a thermal protective coating, keeping your hair safe from damage. Ensure all-day protection for your hair with this amazing serum. The BOLDIFY Hair Boost Serum is one of the most reviewed hair growth serum on Amazon and has earned a huge number of ratings and reviews from users. According to the reviews, it makes your hair thick and keeps them shiny. But some users said that their hair felt dry after using the product. How to use? It's time to rate this hair growth serum. Excessive hair fall is a great problem, and extra care is necessary for minimizing hair loss and enhanced hair growth. The Pureauty Naturals Biotin Hair Serum is a great product which will give you thick and beautiful hair and keep you gorgeous every day. It comes with a great formula. The powerhouse ingredient combo includes biotin, pea sprout extract, and provitamin B5. These ingredients work together to nourish hair follicles, strengthen hair roots, and give you thick and stronger looking hair. This serum stimulates your hair roots and improves the condition of your hair. It's suitable for all hair types, so keep your worries aside and pick the best serum for you. The Pureauty Naturals Biotin Hair Serum is a popular product which earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, it visibly improves hair loss and makes your hair thicker than before. But some users complained that the product didn't work on them. How to use? Let's check out the ratings for the hair serum. So that was all about the 5 best hair growth serum. If you liked the video, then hit the like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know about your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.